Good morning. Welcome to the class. Today we are going to proceed the same chapter. We are going to start the part 4. In the previous class, we had discussed some major food crops in India. Now we are going to discuss about the major pulse crop. What? Major pulse crop. These are also included in the food crop. These are also the part of food crop. As you know that in India, most of the population is vegetarian. So we can say that they consume pulses in large quantity. And you know that pulses have large quantity of protein. So they are the main source of protein. So we can say that they can be grown. They can be grown in both the season, that is Rabi season and Kharif season. Okay, so let's see, we are going to study about some pulses in detail, okay, like moong, urad, okay, gram, like this. So let's see, first of all you know that major pulse crop, okay, main source of protein. These are the main source of protein, okay, and they grown in both season, Rabi as well as Kharif, in both season, okay. Now some examples, we can give some examples like gram, moat, moong, udad, arhar, okay. These are different pulses which grown in India, okay. Now we are going to see about detail. So first of all we are going to see about gram. As you know that gram, actually it is the first major pulse crop, and it covered at least 1/3 part of the pulse crop. 1/3 part of pulse crop, okay. It covered 1/3 part of pulse crop, and it is grown in the Rabi season. It is grown in the Rabi season, okay. Now there are some we can say that states which produce: Uttar Pradesh, okay, then Haryana, Punjab, okay, Rajasthan. These are the major gram producing state, okay. Now we are going to see about arhar next. It is the second major pulse crop. Second major pulse crop, and it is grown. It is grown with millet, okay, cotton, millet, okay, cotton, etc. Millet and mustard. Now see, it is grown with millet and mustard, okay. There is only a small question can be asked in the examination about pulse crop, okay. Now we are going to see some major state, okay. Let's see, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Andhra Pradesh. These are the some major producing state of for the arhar. Now we are going to see the next like udad and moong. I hope you understand. Udad and moong. Moong and udad. Now moong and udad, these are mostly grown in peninsular part of India, and these are also grown with millet and cotton. Okay. Now let's see about first moong. As you know that in Rajasthan, moong has been grown in large quantity. Okay, and you know that Rajasthan is at the first place in the production of moong and bajra. In the previous class we had discussed. Okay, Rajasthan at first place in the production of bajra and moong, we can call it millet also. Okay. So now we are going to see that the moong, actually these are grown in the semi-arid region. Which type? It need less rainfall. It need less rainfall, okay, and it is the kharif production, okay, kharif crop. Now see, it is grown with kharif crops, okay. Now semi-arid regions, like we can say that semi-arid regions like Jalo, Pali, Nagaur, okay, Nagaur and Jodhpur, etc. Okay. Now we are going to see about some part, that is udad. Udad in Rajasthan, it is grown in Hadoti region. In Hadoti region. Hadoti region like Kota, Bundi, Jhalawad, then some part of Bhilwara. Okay, then we can say that some part of southern Rajasthan. Okay, so we can say that udad is grown in Hadoti region. Kota, Bundi, Jhalawad, these are the major producing district of Rajasthan for the Hadoti region. There is lentil pulse crop also. Okay, what about the lentil pulse crop? It is mainly grown in eastern region. Lentil pulse crop. It is mainly grown in eastern region. Eastern region like Alwar, Bharatpur, okay, and Dholpur, etc. Like this about major pulse crop. I hope you understand. Now we are going to study about the commercial crop. So let's see commercial crop. There is not more detail about the pulse crop. You have to remember this much only, that which are the reasons, what type of pulse crop this is. Okay. Now we are going to see major commercial crops. As you know that these are also called cash crop. Cash crops in India. Now you know that what is commercial crop. In the previous class we had discussed about the crops consumption based on the consumption. Okay, in this we had discussed about the 4 part, that is food crop, commercial crop, plantation and garden crop. Now we are going to discuss about the commercial crop. Okay, what is commercial crop? The crops which are, okay, which are grown for the purpose of selling. these are called commercial crop. Okay, these are also known as cash crop. You know that they are very useful. Why they are very useful? Because they increase the income of the farmers. Okay, they are the source of income for the farmers. Beside this, they also provide raw material to the industries. For the industries, they provide raw material for the industries. So they are very important. And you know that about the agricultural land, if we see that agricultural land, or at least 1/4 part, it covered by commercial crop. Okay, now you see that, okay, 1/4 part is covered by commercial crop, that is of agricultural land. Okay, now example, let's see, cotton, sugarcane, jute, okay, tobacco, oilseed. These are different examples of commercial crop. Now we are going to discuss about them in detail. First of all, you understand that what is commercial crop? Crops which are grown for the purpose of selling. Okay. Second, you know that these are used for the commercial purpose. We can say that the crops which are used for the commercial purpose, they are called commercial crops. They increase the income of the farmers. They are the source of income for the farmers, and they provide, we can say that, income for the farmers. They provide income for the farmers, and they provide raw material for industries. So they are very useful. So we are going to discuss about some of them, like we can say that sugarcane is important, okay, and then cotton is important. Some part of, we can say that, oilseed is also important. So we will discuss about them, not the all but them. You have to remember the examples and why these are important. Okay, how much part there is the covered, okay, of agricultural land by commercial crop, you have to remember. So let's see, we are going to start the first one. The first major commercial crop, that is sugarcane. Sugarcane. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about it, sugarcane. First of all, as you know that sugarcane is the origin plant of India. We can say that we have not get it, okay, from outside. Okay, it is the Indian origin plant, and we call it, okay, it is also called descendant of bamboo family or plant. Okay, it you know that it is look like bamboo, so it is also known as descendant of bamboo family, and it is used, sugarcane is used, okay, in the industry, sugar industry. So we can say that it is used to make sugar, jaggery and alcohol. Okay, it is used to make sugar, jaggery and alcohol. Now we are going to see that how much temperature it requires, okay, rainfall, and what about the soil. Okay, so let's see, first of all, temperature. It need 15 to 40 centigrade temperature. 15 to 40 centigrade temperature. Let's see, it requires how much rainfall? it requires more rainfall, so we can say that 100 to 200 centimeter rainfall. Okay, it need more water. Now see which type of soil it need. It need clayey soil. Which type of soil? Clayey soil. We can say that soil of river basin. You know that it has the large quantity of water, so it need more watering soil, we can say that, and it need humid climate. Which type of climate? Humid climate. You have to remember, humid climate. Now in North India, actually in North India it has grown in large quantity, but we can say that due to the presence of humid climate, okay, it is also grown in South India region. Okay, South India region. So you know that this is, you understand. Okay, first, North India has large quantity of producing sugar cane, but in South India also there is large quantity of, why? Because presence of humidity. Presence of humidity. Now we are going to see about the states. Okay, major states which are the major states which produce, okay, which produce large quantity of sugar cane, that is Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, these are the major producing sugar cane states, and you know that in Rajasthan we can say that with the help of irrigation, like we can say that Ganganagar, canal irrigated areas are there. Okay, Hanumangarh and Bikaner. Okay, Ganganagar, Hanumangarh and Ganganagar, okay, Chittor, Ganganagar, Hanumangarh, Chittor, okay, then Udaipur. These are the major producing district of Rajasthan. Okay, this is about the sugar cane. We will study about some next commercial crop in the next class. Thank you.